Hey tech enthusiasts! Today I've got a lineup of must-watch movies that'll satisfy your inner geek and tech cravings. Whether you're into coding, artificial intelligence, or cyberpunk adventures, these films have it all. Let's dive right in. First up, The Social Network. Ever wondered how Facebook came to be? This film dives into the dramatic origins of the social media giant, exploring the genius and controversies behind its creation. Next we have The Matrix, a groundbreaking sci-fi flick that's not just about cool special effects but also delves deep into philosophical questions about reality and technology. A must-watch for any tech-savvy cinephile. Moving on to Silicon Valley. This TV series takes a comedic yet insightful look at the startup culture in, you guessed it, Silicon Valley. It's packed with geeky humor, tech jargon, and a satirical take on the tech industry. Number 4 on our list is The Imitation Game. Follow the incredible story of Alan Turing as he cracks the Enigma code during World War II. It's a gripping biopic that highlights Turing's brilliance and his contributions to computing and cryptography. Last but not least, Hackers. This cult classic from the 90s brings the world of hacking and cybercrime to the big screen with style. It's a roller coaster ride of techno thrills and youthful rebellion that's sure to keep you on the edge of your seat. So there you have it. 5 awesome movies that every tech geek should add to their watch list. Which one are you excited to watch next? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, happy watching!